Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Blackwell. I'm going to get my little plane here again, and we are going to start where we are here in Tennessee, and we're going to fly over here across the Atlantic Ocean, and there's Ireland and England, and then this little country right here above France. They used to just call it Holland, but now they like to be called the Netherlands. And they are known for growing tulips, beautiful fields of tulips. And we're going to draw some tulips today, and hopefully we're going to get to paint them. So here is the picture that we're going to do. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this. We're going to draw with a black oil pastel. Now, we're drawing with this oil pastel because when we start to paint, we'll be able to paint right over it and it won't run or smear like a marker or a something else would smear, and a Sharpie wouldn't. But we want this because it gives the look that we want. Okay, so first of all, everybody, I'm going to make them a sheet, 4 steps on how to draw a tulip. Okay, so it'll be really easy. You just have to look at your steps, and I'm going to show you right now. So the first thing we're going to do is draw the pot, the flower pot that it's in. So what you need to do is make sure that your pot is not too low. So if you'll take your hand and put it on your paper at the top of your fingers, that's where you're going to draw a slightly curved line like that. Okay. Now, then we're going to come down on each side, and we're going to draw another one just like it right down here. Okay, then we're going to come down, move in a little bit. We're going to come down some more here on both sides, and then you want a slightly curved line at the bottom. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and draw a table. This pot is sitting on a table, so I'm going to start over here. It's very simple to do this. It's not. Okay, now you need to stop before you get to the edge of your paper. And then you're going to come in a slant forward. Okay? Now, this line, it needs to go straight up and down, just like the side of your paper here. You go down a little bit, and then come forward some more. Okay? So that's your little 3D edge there. And then you can just put a little leg back here. All right, so that's the corner of a table. And while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead. If you notice in my example I showed you, I have some little apples, or you could put pears. I'm going to put them right here. Make it look like this one comes behind there. So there's my 2 little apples. All right, now the tulips. You need to pick how many tulips you're going to put. In this picture, I have 5 tulips, and they all start with the U. Number 1 is a U. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put the U's where I want them. I think I want one over here. Now, you do not want to make these U's tiny because it will be out of proportion with the rest of your stuff. Okay, because you want your tulips to look the right size in your pot. Now I'm going to make this one go in a little bit like this because maybe it's not opened all the way. I think I'll just do 4 on this one, okay? Here's the 5. Here's the 4. All right, let's look what's next. Number 2. It's a upside down U, sort of. So I'm going to go in here and put that in each one of these. Okay, I'm not going to do this one. I'm going to make it a little bit different. I'm just going to make this one go across like this. Okay. Now, the other ones, if you'll look at number 3, okay, what you're doing is just bringing these lines in here. Okay. Now, number 4 is this backwards part and the stem and leaves. Okay. Not complicated. Let's do it. Okay, I think I'll just put right here. I don't think I'll put one on that one. It's all personal, your personal choice. Okay, now I'm going to draw the stems into the pot. And it's just 2 lines. Don't make them too far apart. You don't want them to be too big. This one's got a little curl on it, curve. All right, now the leaves, look at them. Okay, there they are. Now, they are attached to the stem, but I'm going to put some extra ones in here. So I'm going to come here. I want to go up here, and I want to fill up my space. So this one's going to come up behind. And then this one can come up back here. Let's see, I'm going to make one come back here. And then here. You want to fill up your space with the leaves. And I'm going to actually make one look like it's bent over there. All right. So there's your drawing. It's pretty easy. Let's put some, if you look at this one, I have lines on my leaves. So let's go ahead and put that line on there. All right, so this is the drawing. My next video is going to be painting it. Okay? So on my Google Classroom, you'll see some links that will take you to look at some real tulips so that you can see some of the colors. They don't all have to be like this, but I'll talk to you more about the color in our painting section. All right, thanks.